Meaning of holding company.
Holding company.
Holding company.
Holding company.
Holding company. A holding company is a type of business that owns other companies' outstanding stock. The holding company doesn't engage in its own operations, instead, it exists solely to own the shares of other companies, which are referred to as subsidiaries. As a result, the holding company consolidates the financial results of those subsidiaries into its financial statements. Holding companies can provide benefits such as protecting assets, reducing taxes, managing risks, and improving corporate governance. Overall, a holding company acts as a parent organization that controls the interests of its subsidiary companies.